Hey everyone, welcome to Wandering Shades. In this vlog, I will be taking you to the IKEA store in Navi Mumbai. As you know, IKEA is known for its affordable and stylish furniture. So I can't wait to explore what they have in store for us. Setting the location to IKEA Navi Mumbai. All set to leave now. Let's go. We are crossing Hotel Planet Hollywood, which is right next to my home. Do you know what is special about this property? It is the first and the only 5-star hotel in entire Thane district. Soon we will be exploring this property in coming days. You can already see the iconic blue and yellow building from a distance. Let's head inside and see what awaits us. I will be leaving a Google Map location in the description box below so you can easily reach here. There is ample provision for car parking here, and yes, the parking is absolutely free. IKEA Navi Mumbai opened in December 2020 and has been a popular destination for Mumbai shoppers. It is a Scandinavian chain selling ready-to-assemble furniture and housewares in a warehouse-like space. Alright, we have arrived at IKEA and the store looks absolutely massive. IKEA has done an excellent job of creating various room setups to give you ideas on how to furnish your own living space. Well, look at this elegant off-white vase with these set of beautiful flowers. Looks like a perfect match for a console table or a dining top. I think I can sit on this lawn chair all day reading my favorite novel, clubbed with a nice hot cappuccino. The beauty of IKEA is its focus on Asian contemporary look as well. For example, check this lamp. Look at this cozy sofa with vibrant cushions. It's perfect for relaxation and spending quality times with family and friends. This indeed is a picture-perfect setup for any studio apartment. You will witness not just one, not just two, but many setups for any configuration of apartment. Feels like a wonderland of interior designers under one roof. They have amazing collection of artificial plants too. They look so lively. Check this stunning collection of sofa sets and lawn chairs. There is so much to choose from. Why just indoor? They have select setup solution for outdoor too, like designing your balcony. This is where all MasterChef moments are experienced and cherished for lifetime. Check this kitchen solutions by IKEA. IKEA has innovative options to design wardrobes for your bedroom. Everything is tailor-made as per the client's requirements and measurements. IKEA is known for their innovative storage solution, and this area is no exception. You will find everything you need to create a functional and organized bedroom. IKEA offers wide array of decorative solutions to enhance the lavishness of your home. Check this section where they have a vast collection of tea and coffee tables. Always follow the arrow marks projected on the floor to cover all the sections of IKEA properly, or you might miss out lot of things. IKEA has state-of-the-art design TV units to suit different living room themes. Why hire an interior designer? IKEA has a separate wing of interior design specialists who will help you design your home right from the scratch of measurements to assembling in the final look. IKEA has so many options and variations of dining table and chairs for matching with the vibe and colors of your home. Check this vibrant and aspiring collection of mirrors. IKEA offers a wide range of modular kitchen systems, appliances and cookware. And the best part, they have smart storage solution that makes the most out of a small spaces. IKEA has amazing collections of bathroom accessories as well. Now let's see some bedroom styling option by them. There is seriously no end to exploring your needs here. Beauty is Truth's smile when she beholds her own face in a perfect mirror. They have a wide range of lighting fixtures to suit any style or budget. From space-saving beds with built-in storage, you will find everything you need to create a functional and organized bedroom. Welcome to the new era of work from home needs or simply your office needs, featuring a wide collection of office tables and chairs. What more? Now design your table choosing your favorite tabletops and legs. Now let's head over to the kids section. IKEA has a fantastic range of furniture and accessories for children's room, from colorful beds and decks to playful storage solution. You can create a fun and functional space for your little ones. Be it cozy, soft toys, or other important needs of toddlers, you have everything showcased here. There is a full-fledged in-house food court of IKEA. There is a unique way of ordering and collecting your food here. Let's see how. It's a self-serve concept here. Pick a trolley and tray and move ahead to collect your food. There are food items displayed in various sections with its price tag too. You simply collect the food items you need and move ahead. After collecting your food, you just have to pay the amount which the executive will ask for in the end. We are super hungry. Let me show you what we have ordered. Paneer butter masala with rice, potato wedges, French heart, Danish chocolate bun, and croissant. The food is just delicious. You can pause the video and have a look at the menu. Well, I had an amazing time exploring the store and getting inspired by their furniture and home decor offerings. Thank you for joining me in this vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. This is Bhavya Jain Bhilwar signing out. Thanks for watching.